Siya pala.
Sige, ito nga pala yung coordinator.
Hi guys, we're here sa birthday ni Aunt Trinidad, 40th birthday. And we're waiting na sa iba bago mag-start ang program. Mag-hi ka muna. What's your message to your mom?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. God bless.
Joke kay mami.
Happy birthday. Have a wonderful day.
Have a wonderful day. Message to mami yan.
Happy birthday, Mommy. I hope you have a great birthday and you will have a great wish.
Ano masasabi mo sa ate mo? Mama.
It's mine.
5:39. So I think we are expecting Joanna and who else? Si Nina ba pupunta rin?
Yung coordinator pala niya. Ano masasabi mo sa coordinator? Hi!
To sit down. Okay. So yeah.
Diyan ang lip.
Alright, so I think everyone is here. Everyone that we are expecting is now here. The dogs, we're here to talk about Hank. And yeah. So of course I'm kidding. This is not my TED Talk. This is for me to welcome you to Hank's 40th birthday again. Say thank you for being here. Thank you to all the guests that came. Of course, we appreciate it very much. And Mabel Trinidad, the father of Mikey Ann. For today, I am the husband of the birthday celebrant.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Yes. So this is me. I'll be your host tonight, and if you have any questions or violent reactions, you're free to exit.
Please be with us, Lord, as we celebrate this special occasion with joy in our hearts.
To formally welcome Anne, so that we can have her in front. Ready?
Hey!
So again, the very okay, so clock, we can start with
Sabi mo sa birthday mo? Anong masasabi mo? Anong masasabi mo sa asawa ko?
She's very beautiful. I love her so much.
Nakakainis.
Wow! What is it?
Can you introduce them to the video? Who's that?
Abby.
Videographer rin mo kami. Grabe itong...
Hindi ka kasama sa same day edit. What are you going to do, guys?
Gana.
Twirl. I like your dress.
Bilangin mo nga.
May malay na lang dyan.
Oh,
Kasha yan sa akin. I like your dress. You're so pretty.
thank you. You look so pretty.
Thank you.
Mayroon na natin sa malay na dyan.
Sino?
Dyan. Dalawa ka? Kayo? Careful lang.
Si Madam. Uy, grabe ka naman.
Let's see.
Let's eat, right? Hi guys, rating sa pagkain sa birthday ni Ate.
Hey guys, let's eat guys. You hungry?
You like your food?
Bigyan yung wag yun ako.
Ano yun? Ano yun? Ano yun?
Ano yun, mama? Ano yun, mama?
Hindi mo maubos? Hey guys, we're gonna rate yung pagkain sa 40th birthday ni Ann. 10 over 10 yung fish fillet with tartar sauce.
Yum, 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 yum. Pwede din may maleta ka na?
I need water.
Ay, kay Andy pala yung puti, kay
I
Andy.
need water.
Nasira na kasi yung black eh.
Water, wait lang. Just bring it. Water mo na daw.
Alright, so how do we play the game? Well, you can raise your hand. Anne and my co-host, little Ava, will identify who raised their hands first. What? Okay. Her name is Minerva Trinidad. So we'll see who gets to answer first, and if you get the answer right, you'll have one piece.
Wow! Okay, game!
100. Oh, at a GC for Starbucks, Eagle Coffee, or
I know you, Ate, remember? I know her. She's my BFF.
So you get to answer once. If you get it right, you'll get the GC. If you don't, then another person will get to answer next. Okay? Is everyone ready? Alright. So we'll start with the first question. Do you want to read the question, Eva? No. I thought you were my co-host. Okay, sige, let's start. So, Anne had a crush when she was a teenager. Can you explain? So, when she was a teenager, she had a crush. Who, among these four handsome gentlemen, did she have a crush on? Joanna.
Stefano.
Is it Stefano Mori? Let's see. I'm sorry. Tito Jojo. Ay, Tito Yek. Sorry. Tito Yek.
Lalayek. You go to Lalayek.
Laloyek. Go to Laloyek. Aquino. Carlo Aquino. Is it Carlo Aquino? I'm sorry, no.
Si Ding Dong Dantes.
Okay.
Patrick Garcia.
Patrick Garcia? Is it Patrick Garcia? Let's see. Wait. Sorry. The remote isn't working. Wait. The remote is not working.
Wrong.
Okay.
Wrong ka daw.
Is it Patrick Garcia?
Wrong. Sabi sa si Ding Dong
So
Dantes
that
eh.
means... So, give it to Kuya. Oh, who is it?
Ding dong.
Ding dong.
Dantes?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Talaga ba?
Is the remote removing?
Mali. Walang tamang sagot.
Ano ko, Chef?
Ding dong.
Yan, kuya.
Good job, good job. So, you can,
Give it to your mom.
Give it to your mom.
Ay, your mom.
alright.
Nobody raised their hand.
Oh, okay, no, wait, say. Newlywed
What's the
Ian.
answer? What is the answer? Can you tell the answer?
No. It's a secret.
Ano ba to? Enemy by 7 dots.
Enemy by 7 dots, is it? Yeah.
Give it to your ate. You sing daw.
Okay. Caps. Is it Starbucks?
Wrong.
Is it Starbucks? I'm sorry. JD.
JB nga eh.
Sarah's Bakehouse.
Sarah's Bakehouse. Is it Sarah's Bakehouse? Let's see. I'm sorry. You said
Iba. Nagbago ka na?
Oo nga. Nagbago ka na.
Nagbago ka na.
Hindi ako binili ba? Mary Grace.
Mary Grace. Is it
Oo,
Mary Grace?
hindi ikaw yung ate ko.
Ay. Italianis. Hulaan mo na. Italianis na.
Oh, Jason. Elborn. Is it Elborn? Sorry. Almost there.
Andy.
Mami.
Mami.
Italianis.
Yeah.
And then you can answer that. You already know. Oh.
Papsi daw si Papsi.
Ano bang di ako?
Sige na.
Sige, go. Ito. Sunday. Is it Sunday?
Amin sila na lang daw.
It's not removing again. There we go. Is it Sunday?
Wrong.
Sorry.
Mami Sil.
Oh, Mommy Sil.
Saturday.
Is it Saturday? Yeah.
Yay! Woo!
Oh, give it to ate.
Okay.
Si Singha. Wrong.
Sorry.
Si Jerry yan.
Sa kanya si Pixu, di ba?
Ano gawin pa?
Ate Jamie. Ate
Ano
Jamie.
gawin pa? Oh. Tita Ian. Go to the
Ano yung kay Stefano?
Nagbago na siya.
Jerry yan. Is it Jerry yan? Si Jerry na yan.
Yay! Woo!
Okay. So,
Ano yan?
Raise your hand if you want to know.
Oh. I want to know.
Tell me.
Tell me.
who was the answer? Oh, she can.
I already have. Daddy Marbs.
Oh.
Yes, never by after that.
Okay. Never buy up Ramadan. Is it never?
Never give up. Ah!
Give it to ate. Yay! Nakakatawa si ate.
If you're familiar with How I Met Your Mother, this is one of the shows and shows that we enjoy watching.
Si Barney.
Someone always wants to answer.
Ako na nagsabi si Barney.
Who is her favorite? Taps. Taps.
Tracy.
Is it the mom? Let's see. Is it the mom? Sorry, no.
Again.
Okay, answer
Si
anymore.
Barney.
Okay, who else? Who else?
Andy, Barney.
Ate daw.
Ate Andy. Si Mama Cha. Si Barney.
Is it Lily Aldrin?
No.
Is it Lily Aldrin?
Oh.
Who else?
It's Robin.
Is it Robin Sherbatsky? Sorry, no.
Told you.
That's a good question.
It's Barney.
Oh, so,
Si Barney nga, sinabi ko na sa'yo si Barney. Wala kayong GC, bala kayo.
ha? Oh, si Barney. Is it Marshall Erickson?
Si Marshall ba?
Yes.
Ay, mali yan. Mali ka. Nanonood tayo na hindi yan yung favorite mo.
Why is it Marshall Erickson?
Binago mo. Bakit? Si Barney yung favorite mo. Si Barney. Nagbago na? Nagbabago siya ng favorite. Kaya
Animated movie dapat nandyan The Frozen. Sige ako na lang. Ate.
Oh, sige. Ate Andy. Is it Pray?
The Croods siya, maging The Croods. Bro.
Why is it brave? Why is it brave? Okay, baka umiyak daw siya. Which female musical artist was she a fan of?
Mama Cha.
Oh, Joanna.
Wala, naiba.
Joanna.
Naiba.
Ha? Marami? Hindi na lang, dalawa na lang. Manalo na kayo. Is it Michelle Branch? It is Michelle Branch. So, what Michelle Branch song was it?
Hindi niya alam yun. You're everywhere. Everywhere? Baliwala.
So, the song that she told us
Si Mama sasagot niya. Mama Bebe.
to the winner. So, what is her favorite ulam?
Mama.
Ampalaya, buttered shrimp, sinigang, and pork steak.
Pag mali ka, di win mama.
Pork steak! Is it pork steak?
Palit na ng Mama. Palit na ng Mama.
Ang palaya.
Is it ampalaya?
Kay Mike yan kasi sinigang eh.
Buttered shrimp.
Basta allergic yung mami mo, buttered shrimp.
Buttered shrimp.
We're using messages for her friends.
Okay.
What's your guys' message?
So,
Ate Andy first.
before
Later
the
daw, ate.
before today's event, I asked people like Jamie, Joanna, and the other friends to reach out to people that are close and friends with Anne. So I'd like to take this time to show some of those messages. We'll be watching some messages from
We
some of
won.
our friends and family.
Happy 40th birthday. I wish you happiness, good health, and more birthdays to come. I'm so proud of the amazing woman you've become. A loving wife, a wonderful mother to your daughters, and a blessing to everyone around. Love you.
Happy birthday, Mama Ann. Happy 40th birthday, Mama Ann. Thank you for your life. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Uy, bigyan mo tissue si Mami, umiyak na.
Sobrang galante yung pagkakas sa ibang tao. So, kung gift niya, everything na
Ang haba ng message.
So, umiyak na ako kasi Papa, parang kami tayo. So, yun. And after nun, wala siya choice, tabihan pa rin ako. So, more good memories. Love you so much. Happy 40th.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday and wishing you good health, happiness, success, and stay fit and healthy. God bless you and your family. Bye.
Happy birthday.
Hi, Dad. Happy birthday. Ang Christine Reyes ng nagtuwas ko rin.
Ay, wow!
Sana pag report nyo kung ganyan. Anyway, they say that life begins at 40, but you're not getting older as just like fine wine. It just gets better with age. Stay fabulous and gorgeous as
We love you.
Happy birthday!
hindi na sa inyong tatlong anak. Sana dumami pa yung blessings and pera para pahingin kami.
Bakit ganyan yung background niya?
Birthday, Ate Ann. And the best you for staying peace and happy and
Hug! Hug, Mami Ann! Hug, Mami Ann!
Healthy lifestyle and a happy life. So, yun. Happy birthday and see you. Happy birthday!
okay. Paano mo alagaan ng mga anak mo? Remember, nandito ako sa likod mo. Nandito ako, nasa likod mo ako.
I love you! We're gonna get sorry!
Happy birthday! Kilala mo pa ba ako? Anyway, sana...
Iyak din ako eh. Teka lang, atawa tayo. Hindi. To my prayers, I could not have thought of my life going any better than her being part of it. And I would like to say thank you for being there. I know there were times that we struggled, and I'm very grateful that that was still here. Yak na naman ako. Team show na nga eh. Anyway, so in behalf of everyone here, I'd like to say we love you very much. You wouldn't be here if we didn't love you as much as we do. But I think I love you more. Thank you. So, meet Ice-T. I'd like for us to toast to 40 years so far of Anne, of her, who I am without her. And I'd like to raise my glass, and I hope you join me in doing so. To Anne!
Cheers! Tuhan.
Cheers! Sorry, we don't serve alcohol here. So we don't do that.
Toda! Toda! Oreo!
Ay, ikaw tinatahulan.
Toda!
Basta thank you everyone. I love you.
Di ko naintindihan. Uy, ano yun ulit? Mag-message ka.
Iyak lang.
Uy, ala. Bukas 41 na.
We appreciate you spending this Sunday with us. I understand tomorrow is school day, work day for most of us. And yeah, it's very important for
Good morning, sunshine.
Balik na ako.
Wow, what's that? You're giving this to me?
Yes, please.
Why?
Because it matches your...
Why? Why are you giving me this?
It's because it's for everyone.
Thank you.
whenever we're ready. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Alright, so thank you. That I hope you wish for something good. And, I'm sure you deserve anything good and beyond. Okay.
Bye!